Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a highly requested topic: how to screenshot Snapchat without the other person knowing. First, let's briefly discuss Snapchat's notification system. Whenever you take a screenshot, the app immediately alerts the other user, which is a key concern for many. Now, let's jump into our updated method for 2025. Instead of taking a screenshot, we'll use the screen recording feature on your phone. Here's how to do it. If you prefer a different approach, there are plenty of trustworthy third-party apps that can help you take hidden screenshots. You can also use a secondary device to capture Snapchat content discreetly. Just make sure you hold it at an unobtrusive angle. Next, let's talk about adjusting your own privacy settings. By fine-tuning your permissions, you can minimize your exposure. To ensure your actions remain unnoticed, use these tips. Avoid capturing audio and keep your device low-key. It's important to consider the legal and ethical implications of taking hidden screenshots. Always respect others' privacy. In conclusion, while these methods can be handy, always use them responsibly. Respect the boundaries of others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome Snapchat tips.